Hello guys, welcome back. I actually think this is my first video since, well, the end of last year, and this is a brand new map. Obviously it's raining as usual, so not much difference, but I have a completely new base because I've been busy. I've not just been sat on my ass doing nothing. Though I haven't been recording, I have been building this, and I shall show you this, maybe even have a quick tour of spawn to show you guys what the new map's like. But I do have something planned. This is Turi. Hey Turi. Hey Turi. How's it going? Alright. Yeah. We all love Turi. I did have a shack down there, so I have been doing live streams, so and I am actually planning on getting a really good schedule put down to basically get as much content as I can out to you guys. So keep in touch on Twitter, or actually probably best to keep in touch on Twitter or the Madcrafters Reddit. I'll probably leave a link in the description to my Twitter and the Reddit anyway, so I don't know why I looked down when I said that. Oh well, did it stop? No, it's still raining. Yep, this is the inside of the main building. I have my nice glowstone chandelier. I think it looks pretty cool. Wow, I'm getting some really bad drops from that rain. But oh well, I'll live with it. My storage room, and just general stuff. And I went mental for this about an hour ago. That's how much I got. I'll be playing with that at some point. And what else have we got? We've got my bedroom. I just set this up in a tower. I couldn't really think of what to put in the tower. I just wanted that tower there. So this is going to be the Great Library, La Grande Bibliothèque, or whatever the fuck. I don't know. I probably mixed two languages together there, but I don't care. I really don't. I don't know. But yes, so I've got to get a lot of books and a lot of wood. I'm not quite sure what the layout's going to be because these windows and the chandelier, but I've got a basic idea. Oh, sacred temple was slain by a spider. Right, so let's take you downstairs and show you what I have planned. I've already got a little bit of this done because I really wanted to test it. Yeah, testing death messages. Walk past it every time. This is going to have a there. Damn step. Okay. Shh. Obviously, there's going to be probably two more floors. Well, this middle floor, that floor. Then there's going to be maybe a floor above that one as well. But down here, we have my completely safe boiler room. Completely safe. Trying to be careful because Tombo discovered that creepers now chain their explosions. So if one explodes, the next will explode, then the next. So I'm going to be avoiding creepers, especially groups of creepers like the plague. But yeah, I've got these set up. They're set up at this height for a reason. I'm just going to put stone bricks along the bottom. I just haven't got around to doing that. Ooh! Yeah, haha! As you can see, I've got the hoppers set up. Let's just smelt this in here. So I want to test this. Actually, I don't want to do it in this one. Have we got all these? Yeah, these have to be empty. Right, so what I've got here, there's a water stream that goes all the way up to that tower I was just in. And the reason for that is to automate as much as I can smelting stuff. So the setup I'm going for is this. So we've got the hopper, and the hopper, if you don't know how to make a hopper, is, I'll just show you, because I'll probably need another one. This is how you make a hopper. You get a chest in the middle of that, and there we go, hopper. And it no longer says work in progress, which is a very good thing. Right, now I really want this to go upwards, so I can get in there, don't worry. Because I have stone to replace this block. I need to fix my pick. Right, so let's break this. Oh, nervous. Hello, hello, hello. And boop. Safety. Oh, I just missed that torch. That was genius. I'm a genius. Right, okay, so above here we should have water. I'm actually going to check that. Right, not actually, it should be right next to this. Yep, we've got water there. There's water. Though I don't remember having that one there. So that, oh wait, that's right. That's right, I think. I may have just completely ruined that, but we'll see. I'm not against going back up there again. Right, so these hoppers should, yep, look, they're already put in the crap I'd break inside. Right, so what we're going to do is we're going to test out the long ass stream I've got in there. That's the first thing I need to do. So let's get back up. Hater. Go, go. I really need. I do plan on having a nice path here. Oh. You picked the wrong person to try and mess with. See? You'll never learn. It's called Creepers Paint for a reason. it just kills them dead. No mess. Right, so where's the iron ore? Right, the plan is to have this. Oh, hey. Hey, guy. Where you at? Where you is? Where you is? Okay, okay. There he is. I heard him. He dropped. Oh no. Nope. Okay. Just throw some of this down there. Then make my way back down. I should, when I get down there, get back to some iron smelted. I laced it with ice, I'm not going to lie, I laced that path with ice. Not a water stream without ice. Because I ain't waiting about half an hour for it to go down. Whoop. Here we go. Oh, look at that. There's iron. So as you can see, this will smelt all the stuff up. You just put it in and it'll smelt it up. And then, if I take this lot out of here, hopefully, 1, 2, 3, 4. When it's done, oh, it goes into the chest. Look at that. 2, 3, 4. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. 7. It's not quite as fast as Feed the Beast, which, by the way, I have been playing a lot. And you should probably expect some Feed the Beast stuff from me soon. I'm not sure how soon. I am on a server, and I have set something up. I'm sure I took that out of there. So there'll definitely be some good Feed the Beast from me. Well, I say good, I don't know. It's kind of relative. I hope that you think it's enjoyable. So there'll also be live streaming in the new schedule, as well as, hopefully, if I can get it all together and set up some actual other game LPs. I'm hoping to get a LP of Final Fantasy IX done. Excuse me. Yep, Final Fantasy IX, because it's my favourite game of all time, and I really want to do a let's play for you guys of it. I'm not the greatest at it, again, but I really do enjoy playing that game, and I think it'd be something different. I don't think I've actually seen anyone do an LP of Final Fantasy 9. What was I going to do? I was going to smelt this for the bricks, even though I can just go upstairs and fetch some. But yeah, what I'm going to do is, this is going to be my automatic smelting room. I'm going to have, this is going to be obviously the main feature. I'm going to hide stuff behind here. I'm going to leave this space so that I can mess around with minecart storage systems. So I can have a minecart here instead and send it into a storage. But I'm still working for designs on that in creative. I just wanted this station done. So let's go to spawn. It's kind of a long trip, so I'll meet you guys when I get to the other end. There's Bunyip. Hey Bunyip! No, thank you, sticky keys. And people, look, there's Jal. Don't kill me. Oh. Oh, damn it. Be right back. Okay, we're back. I don't have any food though. So, this is the Nether hub. There's Bunyip. He's gonna die. Look at it. Oh. Oh. Yeah, we've only got the snapshot on today, so as you can see, that's all it takes to get people on the server. But I'm going to show you Spawn Town, as well as Kill Bunyip. That's not that way. There's Tomba. And there's Gel. You want to go too? You want to go? You even think about it. Oh, everybody's trying to kill each other. Oh, damn it. And we're back again. Finally. Right. I shall show you Spawn Town. Truce. 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 Hang on. I have a plan. So, guys. Well,
You came and attacked me.
yeah, well, I was just trying to get your attention, man. I was like, hey, it's Bunyip, let's say hello to Bunyip. And then I died. But,
Love how it says my pick's name when I killed you.
yeah, that was kind of cool. And look, it's J-Man.
Yeah.
Howdy ho.
Howdy ho, cow.
Anyway, it's actually about to discuss what we want to do tomorrow.
Oh,
But
tomorrow.
We will wait.
So I was actually about to say on the chat, hurry up, we're about to discuss stuff.
Yeah, don't worry, I will. But guys, tomorrow, or maybe it's out now or later today. So at some point, there's going to be something cool. I'm just going to go around your houses and talk about how crap it is now while I'm recording. So this is Bunyip's house of terrible design. It's it looks like crap. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, it could have been a box with a cross on top or something, and it would look better. But no, this is definitely the best one in Spawn. I think we all agree this is the best house in Spawn.
For now. I'm pretty sure
Until yeah,
J-Man's
J-Man.
gonna give him run it for his money.
Yeah, for everyone watching that.
Should
Yeah.
have seen some of the ones that I built
Oh,
on our Xbox
Bunyip's
server.
internet disconnected.
Yeah.
You need to add him back to the call manually. Someone.
Do I really?
Yeah, because every time his Skype connects, for some reason it glitches, and he thinks that we're not in a call when we still are.
I got him.
Anyway,
Thank you.
for people watching, J-Man is SF Awesome Sauce. We all know him as J-Man, so that's just his character name.
Yeah.
Look at him there. Strange Spider-Man
Well,
thingy? I don't know what it is.
Dinnerphone hinted
Deadpool.
that we wouldn't be able to
Deadpool.
change our in-game names, so...
Oh, that's cool. So, this is J-Man's House of Crap.
House of crap in progress.
Yeah.
Did you show my house of crap?
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's
alright.
it's
It's
complete
beautiful.
terrible house. This is Jalmain's sexy honeymoon resort.
Oh yes. Show all those signs.
Yep, this is yep. See, lubricant for rent. Ask the bartender. Have a fantastic day. You may want to wipe your feet before you leave. Really. So
There's not even a bath.
this is why it's
I
on a
know.
glass floor, because it's easy to clean.
Maybe wash your hands after touching anything.
Yeah. Yeah. Pretty much. That's why I'm trying not to touch the walls. I'm just going very carefully through the doors.
Thank God we don't have one of those black lights that they use to shine through motel rooms on those like Dateline specials.
Oh yeah. If this was CSI, you know.
How do you know I don't?
But
I think there'd be like a disco ball in the room or something.
yeah. But yeah,
Finger
Jalmain's
bone.
house is equally as terrible. It's overgrown with vines. It's got some weird
Speaking of which,
zebra
I need to
thing
get
going
more.
on.
You can go get them from my place.
That's where I stole them from. The
This
first
is
place.
I thought so.
this is 484's sex dungeon. 484 will be back on at some point. We're just not quite sure. He's having a lot of troubles.
I think we scared him off.
No,
Right,
he's
So he flooded his own kitchen.
yeah, he's having a
And-
lot of
and-
trouble.
He has a girlfriend too, so they have date nights all the time.
Oh wait,
Oh yeah,
what's
apparently.
what's a girlfriend?
You know, even though they don't like watching movies.
Neku.
No, I know what a girlfriend is. It's cool. And then there's my awesome house, which I don't even need to do anything. Look at. I don't need to go inside because it's so awesome. You just.
Dude, it's got the ping pong table.
Oh, he has. He's got the ping pong table. That's why it's so awesome.
That's probably the only good thing about it.
I don't. Shut your whole mouth. So
Not just part of my mouth, all of it.
just your whole mouth. This is the ping pong table. Demonstrate. Whee! Oh, it's so cool. Oh, best feature of the game ever. Just for that. Right, and then we've got, I think, the last house that's really notable. Because there are two over there, but
It's not notable. It's not notable.
it's Tomba's house of copying my house design. But
Except you know where I started building my house first.
but
Tomba's house of giant roofness.
yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
it's Tomba's roof with a little bit of a house underneath.
Would you like some house with that roof?
Yeah. Well,
Orbs. With
that
orbs.
house has got a lot of head.
But then again.
So yeah, guys, this is the Spawn Town, the new service. Same guys, obviously. So lots more in store. Especially when I get my new schedule sorted, and I know Jalmain's got himself a little schedule going that he's going to
I
keep
need
to.
to get one.
Yep. And Tomba will get something sorted when he's got his technical stuff in order.
And
So-
so will I.
Yep,
No.
and Bunyip. Ow! Hey! No more killing! No more death, damn it! Anyway, guys, I'll
Today
see.
has seen enough blood.
Yes. I'll
No, no. It's
see you
like
guys
wasn't
next
enough
time.
blood.
So take care.
Bye.
Adios.
Peace.